If you're creating a new Google account, you might face this issue where it shows you need to verify your phone or device, but then you click to verify to put in your phone number, and it just keeps loading forever, and it just gets stuck in a loop or glitch where you can't do anything. So I'm going to show you an easy way to fix this. So first thing you want to do is go to YouTube app, click on the YouTube app, and then go to your profile at the lower right, and then click on switch account, then click on the plus icon. This will allow you to create a Google account, so click create account for my personal use. Then I'm going to create one quickly. And then you can see here you can just skip the phone number part, and you're able to create a phone number, and if later you want to add your phone number for security reasons, you can do so. So that's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.